Okay, guys, look at this. This is my own product, a sunscreen. Now, I actually converted this product into this type of video, completely free. Look at that quality.
Discover the ultimate touch of everyday luxury. Introducing Angel Sunscreen. Crafted to protect, hydrate, and illuminate your skin. Experience a flawless, radiant finish like never before. Elevate your daily skincare routine to new heights. Step into the light and embrace your perfect glow.
And I also converted this influencer product photo into a real-life ads video, just like this.
Good morning, loves. Welcome to my luxury morning routine. Starting the day with fresh, hydrated skin is everything to me. The absolute non-negotiable step at my vanity? My holy grail? Angel Sunscreen. It blends so naturally and gives me that flawless, dewy finish. It feels completely weightless and leaves absolutely no white cast. Now my skin is protected, glowing, and ready to conquer the day.
And guys, we can make even more. Lifestyle vlogs, short slideshows, long-form videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, everything. So this is actually an AI video generator for business owners, creators, anyone. No editing skills needed. Ready in minutes. I'm going to show you everything in this video, how to make product videos and influencer videos from scratch. But make sure you watch this completely because there are some hidden tricks and settings that most people don't know about, and that's what makes the difference. Let me show you the tool. Let's dive in. All right, so click the link in my video description, and you will land right here on vStory.io. Now, it looks pretty neat and clean on desktop, but you can also open this on your iPhone or Android browser to easily access the interface, just like you can see on my screen right now. So, let me show you how it works live. First thing you'll see is describe your video to create. Now here you have different video types: product demo, short slideshow, promo video, lifestyle vlog, and also different moods like energetic, calm, luxury, fun. Go ahead and tap on product demo. Now, here it gives you a ready-made prompt. Make a product demo video for my product with close-up shots and upbeat music. All you have to do is remove the word product and replace it with your actual product or business name. So for example, I typed, make a product demo video for my flower shop called Daisies with close-up shots and upbeat music. Simple as that. You describe your business in your own words. Now scroll down and tap on Add Photos or Videos. You'll get 3 options: Photo Library, Take Photo, or Video, or choose Files. Just tap Photo Library and select the photos of your product or your shop. I've uploaded 3 photos here, and now you can see the options below. Animate Photos is on auto, voiceover is on auto. Now, here, intro and outro. I actually kept this off for this demo so you can see the raw output. But guys, if you turn this on, vStory automatically adds a professional opening and closing scene to your video. So I highly recommend keeping it on for your videos. Ratio is 9:16 vertical, perfect for reels and shorts. Now, just hit Create Video. And that's it. vStory starts generating your video right away. It uploads your photos, and the AI starts building everything: the script, the voiceover, the animations, the transitions. You literally don't do anything. And boom! Your video is ready. Look at that. A complete professional-looking video with voiceover, captions, smooth transitions, all done automatically in just a few minutes. Now here's where it gets even better. Once your video is ready, you can still edit anything you want right here. You've got options like animate photos, change caption style, change transitions, change voice, everything. This is your full editing panel. So, for example, I tapped Change Caption Style, and now I can choose from styles like Dark Glass, Pill Highlight, or Glow Neon. I personally love the Pill Highlight. It looks super clean and modern on the video. Once you're happy with everything, Just tap the download button at the top, and it starts rendering your final video. Within a minute, it's saved straight to your phone, ready to post on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, wherever you want. All right, guys. Now let me show you how I actually made these 2 videos. So this product photo, the Angel sunscreen bottle, I actually generated this using Claude AI. I just described the product and it created this premium-looking image for free. Then I uploaded it to vStory and wrote this prompt. Create a cinematic product demo video for a premium skincare brand with close-up shots, smooth transitions, luxury feel, and upbeat, energetic music. Make it look like a high-end advertisement. I turned on the animate photos setting, and the video was ready, literally ready to run as a meta ad. And this influencer photo, I generated this using an AI image tool called Nano Banana Pro. Then I uploaded it to vStory and used this prompt. Make a lifestyle vlog of a day in my skincare routine as an influencer with smooth transitions and trending upbeat music. Show the Angel sunscreen product naturally, glowing skin results, luxury morning routine feel. And that's it. Done. So guys, no photographer, no videographer, no editor, just AI. All right, that's it for this video. If this helped you, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.